Section 2 is solving inequalities using multiplication and division. If A is less than B, then A times C is less than B times C, and if A is greater than B, then A times C is greater than B times C. And this is only if C is greater than 0, meaning C is a positive when I multiply. And if A is less than B, then AC is greater than BC, and if A is greater than B, then AC is less than BC if C is greater than 0. So if C is a negative, we're going to flip our inequality. Okay, so for example, solve x over x divided by 2 is less than 6. So to get rid of the 2, we're just going to multiply by 2, which will cancel out, multiply by 2. Notice 2 is a positive, so my inequality is going to be the same, and it's just going to be x is less than 12. Now in the second one, we're going to multiply by a negative 4. So since I'm multiplying by a negative number, my sign here is going to switch, so I have x is less than negative 8. Okay, and you can go back and check this. So a number that would be less than negative 8, say negative 12, for example. If I plug in negative 12 divided by negative 4 is 3. 3 is greater than 2. Okay, if I were to keep it x is greater than negative 8, say negative 4, and plug that in, negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1. 1 is not bigger than 2. Okay. Division is the exact same as multiplication in terms of it'll stay the same if C is a positive and then if C is negative, technical difficulties. If C is negative, then the inequality will flip. So again, 3x is greater than 9, I'll divide by 3. I'm dividing by a positive, so it's just x is greater than 3. In this one, I'm dividing by a negative 4. So my sign was less than. Now I'm going to flip it so that it's greater than negative 3. Okay, Eric needs at least $560 to pay for his spring break trip. If he saves $25 per week from his weekly paycheck, how long will it be until he can pay for his trip? So this one, I'm going to write a linear inequality to solve this problem. X is going to be, so X is our number of weeks, and then in order to set an equality, let's say 25x. Now, at least means, either equal to that or more than that. So that's going to be greater than or equal to 560. Then in order to solve, I'm just going to divide by 25. And x is greater than or equal to, I think this comes out to 22.4. So basically, he will need 23 weeks. He's going to have to work 23 weeks in order to pay for his spring break trip. Your assignment from this section will be page 295, 10 through 30 evens. If you have any questions, make sure you ask.